Good morning everyone. So this morning I am on an urbanisation called Camposol. We are near the port of Matheron, down in southern Spain on the Costa.Calida in the Murcia region. The airport is 30 minutes from here and the beaches and the several of them are 20 minutes from here. It's very hot today, so I'm doing the introduction inside. I'm going to take you outside now and we'll just show you around the house. Okay, so let's get going. So guys, I am on sector A. I'm just going to show you the road. So this is the road. We are on sector A. You have a pedestrian gate there and you have off-road parking just there. So let me take you in and around this lovely home. So as you can see, you got recreation area there with the pool. Got lovely plants and shrubs here and plenty of fruit trees. I'm just walking up the steps and there's 4 of them, so it's easy access to this property. You have this lovely large terrace which is blowing a beautiful cool breeze on a really hot day. Some people enclose these terraces, but in Spain, that's what the terrace was for. So you could sit out and enjoy a nice cool breeze flowing through. You have an awning up there as well. So this is a different angle of the terrace. And again, you have another awning down there. So that's to stop the cool breezes, I suppose, if it's winter. But in the summer, they're very enjoyable. Okay, plenty of fruit trees there at the front. Going inside, now the front door has glass in it and it has lovely tinted glass on it. This is your living space here. I'm going to bring you down this end of the room. As you can see, it's quite a large living space. You have aircon over the door. You have windows on either side. Really nice. I'm going to shut that door for a minute. And this property is totally secured, okay? So I'll just take you around, and as you can see, there's that fabulous featured fireplace. Now, I haven't seen such a wonderful fireplace in a Fortuna in a long time. Okay? So that is the dining area. We'll have a look at that in a moment, but first I'm going through the archway, and I'm going to take you in through the bedrooms. So this bedroom would be your guest bedroom, okay? You have ceiling light and fan and you have aircon. You've also got records and blackout blinds as well as insect screens on those windows there, okay? As I pan around, as you can see, the wardrobes are integrated and they've got overhead storage. So good general size of the room. All the doors in that nice dark tinted. I quite like that. So I'm going to take you in here into the bathroom. So in the bathroom you've got frosted glass window. You've also got fully tiled from ceiling to floor. You've got your bath there with a curtain shower. You've got WC. And you got your sink and faucet there. You've also got storage just there as well. And without getting the camera in and everything else, you got a large mirror. Okay. Just here, you've got your shower. And you have got your heated towel rail there. Okay. So inside here, you have your master bedroom. The master bedroom has ceiling light and fan, and it also has aircon. On the windows, it has got records and blackout blinds as well as insect screens. Quite a large room. You've got switches and sockets on either side of the bed. If I come up here, you can see you've got double wardrobes integrated with overhead storage. and they have another set of wardrobes. So these rooms are quite substantial, as you can see, because of the furniture. It's quite chunky furniture, so loads of room in here, okay? So shows you bedroom 2, bedroom 1, and I've showed you the bathroom. So this is your dining area. So this is just off the kitchen, and as you can see, you've got quite a quirky kitchen. This kitchen is very Spanish looking. It's obviously been built particularly for this villa. So I just want to show you some of the features in this. You've got this lovely Delph light, and just up there you have those alcoves, and you got them on both sides. There is your vent there, lovely butterflies on there. You've got a hob there. It's all fully tiled with these lovely base units. So you've got plenty of base and top units, and your sink and drainer. You've got a double sink there as well. Really very nice. Okay. And I'm just going to come in here and show you that you have got the lights just there under here, and you've got your extractor hood. Okay. Now through there you have got like a utility room where you've got your washing machine, your dryer, your fridge, freezer, microwave, grill, and whatever else you want, an air fryer. Okay. There's your door to your terrace out the back. Now I just come out here, and this is quite a large terrace. I walk down here for you and come back. So you can imagine just having a table and chairs, and it's just off the kitchen. You can have some outside dining. You've also got a water point there. I'll take you upstairs now. So again, there's lovely cool breezes up here. You can see for miles around, as you can see. And it looks like the roof's been sealed up here. But this is a great area for private sunbathing. You can put a hot tub up here and some loungers. And of course it looks over that beautiful pool down there. So let's go and take a look downstairs. Now I'm back down on the terrace here. There is steps that way, and there are steps this way. I'm going this way because there's the other thing I want to show you here. First of all, so you have a shed there. You've also got a ramp for easy access, and that's from the driveway. Okay, you have an underbuilt there, and just in here so I'll come back on the steps again, and I'm coming down the other end of the steps. You have a water point there, hose to water the garden. You have your pool pump storage there. Just in here you have an underbuilt. Okay, and it's quite large, and you've got more underbuilt just under there. Okay, just around here, guys, just here you have your shower, and you have an outside sink and toilet, which is really great because it's just by the pool here. So you go up steps here, and here is your pool area. You have a lovely decorative well there, some decorative ornaments all around, and this is really lovely, and you have your seat there. So fabulous pool area. And it's nice and deep. It's so inviting today because it's so hot. So if you're interested, guys, do contact Dawn. info@tolettoseltobuy.com. Put in the reference number of the property. You'll find it in the title of the video. And don't forget to leave your contact details. So until the next time, and I show you another beautiful villa from To Let To Sell To Buy. Take care and have an amazing week. Bye bye.